They are our company products, which are explosion-proof LED working light, and the product name is SZSW2510, and another one is SZSW2511. Those two products look like similarly, but the most different of this product is have a hand charger. For this product, it can hand carry and short carry. It's applicable to all kinds of inspection, overhaul, remote search, and portable emergency lighting. It's applicable to Zone 1 and 2, Cree 1 and Cree 2 environment. Let's see what's in the box. The package of the light, a box with a user menu, a light, long bell, charger C. When you press the button firstly, it is working light. When you press the button thirdly, it is strong light. And when you long press for 3 seconds, it is super long mode. The LED source is Cree. The IP rating is IP66. It means dustproof and waterproof. The material of this product is aluminum alloy, and then it can 115-degree angle adjustment according to the need. There are look lines of things. A design with this product is a kind of heat dissipation and convection. The bottom of the lamp has a high energy magnet, and they can be fixed on the metal survey. Here is battery indicator. The digital power displays the remaining battery power at any time.